So Junksters, let's talk about demo jobs. We want to give the customer starting rates. I know that a lot of you guys would much prefer getting on site and giving a firm quote. But see, a lot of times I've noticed that the customer can get a little nervous about that. There's a lot of reasons why, and for whatever reason why, we want to make sure that the customer is comfortable. A lot of times it's a real estate agent that has to talk to the homeowner, or it's somebody that needs to speak with their boss. It's a contractor that needs to talk to their boss or the homeowner, or it's just somebody that you're coming into their home and they're a single mother like me and they get nervous about somebody coming onto their property or in their home. So the best thing to do is think about what is the lowest you would take for the smallest demo job, whether it's a shed, a pool, a hot tub, or construction debris, wood and concrete and all that. What is the lowest that you would go? Even maybe after you think about that, maybe add $50 to that just to be safe. But a starting rate really helps the customer to get an idea of what it's going to cost, first of all. And second of all, it also helps just in case that's way outside their budget already. You're not wasting your time. Because really, do you want to go drive 20 minutes to a job and then you give them the quote and it's nowhere in their budget and you've just wasted a few hours of your time? Yeah, I know you guys want to go out there and be face-to-face with them and try to sell them and assess everything, and that's fair. But you also don't want to waste your time and you don't want to waste the customer's time. So giving that starting rate, like, hey, shed removals start at $350 or construction debris starts at $225 and then can go from there. Explain over the phone. Take that time and explain. It depends on where it is, how much it is, how heavy it is, how long it's going to take us. But when I give you the quote, when I get there, it's going to include everything. It's just a great way to make sure that you're being fair to the customer and really fair to yourself. Your time is just as important as theirs. Good luck out there.